Good morning, guys. It is 6:43. I do have, this is a new vlog, so hi everyone. Today is the whole start of a new vlog. As you can tell by the title, I am going to Ghana. Currently we are about to head to the dealership. It's currently 6:44 and it's saying the air quality is bad, so I don't know if I'm supposed to wear my mask. We'll get there quickly. So I'm about to play my music because y'all, it's too early. The earliest I've ever woken up is to my laser appointment, and I'm going to Papa on Sunday, and I haven't packed yet. My trip is in 13 days because today is June 2nd, so my trip is in 13 days. I'll come back after my appointment. It's gonna be so long. I'm gonna be there for hours, but I need a car, so I didn't do a drop-off. If I did a drop-off, it would have been for 2 days, and I'm not here Sunday, so it's no reason. It's Friday today. This is probably the quickest ad I had to do for a company, and I'm so proud of it. This one, copyright, so good. Oh, we're currently in Starbucks, y'all. This is our order. Take a screenshot. You're gonna love it. Tastes about right. It's a line, as y'all can see. It's called. Surprisingly, it did not take long. It's currently 9:33. I just need to go get milk. I really don't need groceries because I will not be home. I'm going to Ghana for Michelle's birthday. So Michelle is turning 25. If you did not watch my Ghana vlog from last year, I went to Ghana after 13 years for my 25th birthday. And if it wasn't for Baba, I wouldn't have gotten my visa for Ghana. If it wasn't for Michelle, I wouldn't have had all the itineraries that I was doing, that y'all saw me doing. That's all because of Michelle, because you know she is a DJ. So she is having her 25th birthday this year, and it's only right for me to go. She has no clue whatsoever. Like yesterday she was texting me, we're having a regular conversation. I'm just like, oh, because it's her birthday month, so I'm like, are you excited? So it hasn't hit her yet. And that was like how I was feeling last year. Like the whole time I was there, she was like, has it hit you yet that you were back in Ghana? I'm like, no, it hasn't. So we just had like a regular conversation. Her birthday is on the 14th. I get there on the 13th. Michelle's mom and I have been planning this since January. I got my ticket in January 31st, and it's just been there. I haven't planned for anything because it's not about me, it's about Michelle. I have reached out to some companies in Ghana so I can actually be working influencer stuff, creating content and stuff. So this trip will be like work for me and to celebrate Michelle also. This girl, she has a podcast. I reached out to her, so we're scheduling something. Who else? I have 2 clothing brands I will be working with also. I'm emailed a lot of people, but I'm just gonna like, what is the word, circle back at them because they didn't respond, and that's fine. But I'm just gonna circle with them because I don't want things to be unplanned. Like I know that's how Ghanaians live, but I'm very strategic. I want to know, like, okay, things are planned. It's not there that I'm in Ghana and they're like, oh, I want to work with you because we saw this brand post. No, I'm so excited. Michelle's big 2-5. That's why we're going to Ghana. And without her, y'all would even have known me. Without Baba, y'all wouldn't have known me. So it's only right to give back. That's the tea. We are going to Ghana. I'm not ready. I have not packed. I'll just be wearing wigs when I'm there. I need to get my ish together. So I'll probably come back on the 9th. No, I'll come back on the 10th, and I'll leave on the 12th. So I need to pack. Like today I need to pack. And while I'm like away, I'll just think of things that I need. I don't really need nothing really. I'm like, people be thinking I'm like this a bougie girl. I'm as regular as it can be. didn't vlog, but I went to get my cornrows done. I'm gonna insert, my hair grew so much. The last time I did my cornrows was on February when I had that orange hair. Yeah, I just took those cornrows out, and these are fresh ones done by Samira. And can you believe this is on my hair? Literally on my hair. It's currently Monday, so I leave in a week. I have yet to pack. I leave here on Saturday, so when I go home I have to do laundry, I have to do my eyebrows. What else I have to do? I don't know. When I'm traveling, I see it as I'm traveling to Mexico or anywhere else. Like, I'm not thinking I'm going to Ghana, so I have to like bring stuff. My family don't really be needing nothing. They're bougie. They don't need nothing from me, okay? They just want my vibes. That's it. I want to sell this camera and get the ZV E10. That's what I want. Yeah, and I originally was actually gonna get it, but I was like, I wasn't so comfortable vlogging yet for the big, you know, lens. But now I don't even care. I want it. I want it. So when I go to Ghana, if I see any creators that want this camera, they can have it. Like, I haven't used it. There is no scratches. It comes with a case, everything. Like, you can have it. I want my ZV E10, period. Oh, I ordered Michelle's birthday cake today. And I was kind of shocked because I never did this before. So I reached out to the company on WhatsApp. And I was telling Baba, I was like, I don't know. Something about reaching out to these people and saying, please, can I, blah, blah, blah. Like, it don't sit well with me. Maybe I'm not rude, I'm not disrespectful, but it's just so weird saying, please, can I get this? Or please, can you do this? Or please, are you able to do this? No. So I didn't say the please, but then they responded with yes, please. And I screenshotted it to Baba. I was like, see? Yeah, right now I am going to go on my laptop and like go straight into business mode, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Recording. So it's Friday. My trip is on Monday. I'm not even home. So, but I don't really need anything. Like, I just have to go home and pack, literally.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cards? Cut these niggas pussy and I'm hard. I turn it fucking soft to some hard. I grew up in the streets without no heart. I'm praying to my Glock in my car. I sit back and read like head in the head. 21 Savage, the cat with the...
I left my cord that connects to my computer for me to edit, like put my SD card in it and all. So I really did not vlog on this camera at all when I was in Ghana. I was using my good old dandy iPhone, and I don't know, I feel like the quality isn't there, but I literally gave it my all. Like, and editing wise, y'all already know I go all out. It took me a week to edit. So the original plan was to edit daily and upload daily while I was there. I didn't sleep on my flight to Ghana because once I realized that I didn't have my camera case, so I literally left this. I left this. It has everything in it, all my cords, all my chargers, everything in it. So once I realized that I left it on my bed, I just stopped recording on this camera. I was literally on the phone with Rodney when I realized that I did not have that shit. So yeah, that's that. But I didn't want to put that into the vlog while I was in Ghana because I didn't want that energy in that video at all. If you see my vlog, I was wearing these cute mini bag. So it's from this company called LASNV bag. So they reached out to me, and y'all know I love these mini bags. Okay, I prefer these mini bags over like regular size bags. I just feel like it fits my aesthetic. But I have this one and a black one that I will show on the screen, but they have affordable purses. I forgot the price of this, but I know it's below $10. I promise you. I'll put this link to this bag in my Ghana vlog as well as this vlog, and also the black one. It fits my minis, literally. So what I can fit in here is Glow Queen Gloss minis, literally, if it's in here. My keys. Shout out to my bestie. My bestie got me these when I went to St. Croix. And then if it's my AirPods, if it's my post office keys, my P.O Box, and my debit card. Why do I look like Rodney right now? That's so disrespectful. But my flight to Ghana is tonight at 11:59. I told Mom and Dad to drop me off at 6 p.m. I blocked Michelle 2 days ago or yesterday, I forgot, but I blocked her because we share locations. So she has my locations from when I went to Ghana. So that has still been on, and I'm like, yeah, I have to block her. So then I blocked her and I went to our photos because I wanted to post us. You know, we're trying to throw her off. So I needed some things, but the thing wasn't loading. Turns out it was my Wi-Fi. So my dumb self unblocked her, and it literally showed you stop sharing locations. I said, no, fuck, like seriously. So then I had to clean my butt and message her on Instagram like, oh, my phone is now working, blah blah blah. So that's where we are with that. It's June 12th. I reached Ghana at 2:15, and Baba is gonna come pick me up. Yeah, I've not seen Baba yet on my channel, but Baba and I are like, yeah. So I have to come back home. Well, I have to go home and do my nails. Yeah, I did my wigs. It's like styled my wigs, everything, packed them up. I feel like this trip is not like hectic because I used a travel agency called Lux Travels Ghana. I'll put like the information here there, but if you want to travel around like anywhere, Dubai, Singapore, Zanzibar, anywhere, Lux Travel Ghana got you, okay? They offer so many things. So like my visa, my Ghana visa, everything stress-free because they did it for me, okay? I know like it's probably easy, but it's just good. It feels good to just pay someone who is already educated in that field to do everything for you. And I'm so excited. Ghana, here we come. So let's get into montage mode for Ghana. We get dinner.
Ryan, what took you so long? Hold up, wait a minute.